Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most inspiring and unforgettable travel experiences from around the world. Today, we're going to dive into the ultimate travel bucket list. Featuring destinations that will leave an indelible mark on your soul. So, grab your notepads, fellow adventurers, and let's explore these must-visit places together. Our world is brimming with incredible destinations. And we've carefully curated a list of the most extraordinary places to add to your travel bucket list. Get ready to be enchanted, amazed, and inspired by these breathtaking locations that will ignite your wanderlust. Our first stop on this unforgettable journey takes us to the magnificent Kyoto, Japan. Imagine wandering through ancient ruins, immersing yourself in rich cultural heritage, and getting lost in the bustling streets of vibrant cities. Kyoto, Japan offers a tapestry of history, art, and gastronomy that will leave you craving for more. Next up, we venture to the inspiring landscape of Iceland. From snow-capped mountains to pristine lakes and lush valleys. Whether you're an adventure seeker or a nature enthusiast, landscape of Iceland offers a playground for your senses. Get ready to hike, swim, or simply be captivated by the sheer beauty of this natural wonderland. Traveling to a bucket list destination is an experience unlike any other. Whether you're looking to explore a new culture, soak up the sun on a beautiful beach, or take on an adventure of a lifetime, there are few things as rewarding as crossing a dream destination off your list. The first step in traveling to your bucket list destination is to do your research. Take the time to learn about the culture, the people, and the customs of the place you're visiting. This will not only help you prepare for your trip, but it will also enhance your overall experience. Next, consider the logistics of your trip. Will you need to apply for a visa? What is the best time of year to visit? How will you get around once you're there? These are all important questions to ask yourself before booking your trip. Once you've taken care of the practicalities, it's time to start planning your itinerary. Make a list of all the must-see sites and attractions in the area, and prioritize them based on your interests. Don't forget to leave some room for spontaneity. Some of the best travel experiences come from unexpected adventures. When you finally arrive at your bucket list destination, take the time to immerse yourself in the local culture. Try the local cuisine, learn some basic phrases in the local language, and make an effort to connect with the locals. These small gestures can go a long way in making your trip a truly unforgettable experience. Traveling to a bucket list destination is an opportunity to step outside of your comfort zone and discover new things about yourself and the world around you. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, snorkeling in the crystal-clear waters of the Maldives, or hiking to the summit of Mount Kilimanjaro, the memories and experiences you gain will stay with you for a lifetime. So go ahead, book that trip, and get ready to cross that dream destination off your list. As a traveler, it's always exciting to plan for your next adventure. While there are countless amazing destinations around the world, there are some that are simply unforgettable. These destinations are the ones that should be on every traveler's ultimate bucket list. Experiences, breathtaking landscapes, and fascinating cultures that will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. These destinations are just a small sample of the amazing places that the world has to offer. There are destinations that every traveler should add to their ultimate travel bucket list. Each one offers a unique and unforgettable experience that will leave you with memories that will last a lifetime. So start planning your next adventure and get ready to tick off some of the items on your travel bucket list. Our final bucket list destination is the mesmerizing Angkor Wat in Cambodia. Prepare to be transported to a world of vibrant colors, exotic flavors, and warm-hearted locals. Immerse yourself in the rich traditions. Explore bustling markets and indulge in tantalizing cuisine. Angkor Wat in Cambodia will not only satisfy your wanderlust but will also awaken your senses to new experiences and cultures. And there you have it, fellow travelers. These are just a few glimpses of the ultimate travel bucket list destinations. Each one offers a unique blend of history, nature, and cultural experiences that are sure to create memories that last a lifetime. We hope this video has inspired you to create your own travel bucket list and embark on unforgettable adventures. If you enjoyed this virtual exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our future travel guides. That's all for today's video, wanderers. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. And until our paths cross again, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep ticking off those bucket list destinations.